Hi everyone, this is the MS Word working for headers and footers tutorial. First of all, I use the OS Windows 8.1, so it's more likely to any other version. You can see the icon of MS Word in my desktop. So you can start the button and click it. The Windows 7 is different in this environment. Go to the search icon, then type Word. My MS Word version here is 2013. Any other version can do also. Click the application or press enter. Welcome to the MS Word 2013. This is the environment of MS Word 2013. You can see some other ready-made formats here for resume, letters, and others. I'll choose the blank document to apply the header and the footer. Now we can write any kind of content in here, like thesis, projects, and letters. If you need to write your name on your document in the upper portion, so we can use the header. How to open the header? Just place your cursor in the top of the margin, then double click. Or the more basic, go to this insert tab, and go to the header and click it. There are many portions to choose for more unique formats, and scroll down. Now you can write your name or other information here. After that, go to the close tab and click. Now you can see it is not really clearly, but if it's printed, it's clearly enough to see. We go how to open the footer to write in information. Place your cursor on the bottom portion of the margin, then double click. Or like the header, go to the insert tab and go to footer. It's now open, so you can write now the information you want. That's all for headers and footers tutorial. If you want more for MS Word tutorials, log in into comscise@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.